Hi, everyone. Good evening, all of you. Good evening, guys. Good evening, everyone. How are you all? Hope you're all doing well. So, we'll be continuing our discussions. So, which one we are going for? You can say that last class on this mathematical reasoning. So, this today's class, that mathematical reasoning gets over. Right? We'll be entering into which one you can say now. After that, another topic we'll be entering into, that is on Wednesday. Okay, on Wednesday we'll be entering into this spatial aptitude, right? Wednesday and Friday we'll be discussing about this. Which one is Wednesday and Friday we'll discuss about this spatial aptitude. Okay, right. So is it clear, everyone? Right. So here we'll try to do this. Is audio and video both are clear for all of you? Right. So general aptitude, GATE PYQs, general aptitude reasoning, you can say. So this is my profile. Either you can just go through this web link, or you can just scan this QR code to follow my profile. And what is the referral code you have to use always, right? RP Civil is the referral code you have to use, everyone, right? What is the referral code you have to use, right? RP Civil is the referral code you have to use. Congratulations to GATE 2023 toppers from Unacademy. Yeah. Now at Unacademy, this wonderful offer is started again. So what is that offer, you can say? You'll be getting which one? This 4 months extra free, right? Whenever you are taking subscription, lesson iconic subscription, right, you will be getting which one? This 4 months extra, right? 4 months additional subscription you'll be getting if you are taking it for which one? This 12 months. So if when you are taking for this 24 months now, you will be getting this 4 months extra. When you are taking the subscription for 12 months, you will be getting 3 months extra. When you are taking the subscription for this 9 months, you will be taking you will be getting 2 months extra, right? Iconic also same. 24 plus 4, 12 plus 3, and 9 plus 2, you will be getting all of you, right? So what is that referral code you have to use, all of you? RP Civil is the referral code you have to use, everyone, right? Coming to this, right, on May 26th, new batch, all-star batch is going to start, all of you. So KP sir will be starting environmental engineering, and myself will be starting which one? This is surveying, all of you, right? And myself will be starting what? Surveying, right? Surveying by which one? This is RP sir. Okay, so myself will be starting that surveying, everyone, right? So what is that referral code you have to use always, right? RP Civil is a referral code you have to use every time, right? So this is for 2025 people also. The same batch is going to start, all of you. RP Civil is the code you have to use, everyone, right? So don't miss this opportunity, all of you. And now on 21st May, you'll be having 21st May at 12 p.m. you'll be having this scholarship test, and there is a chance of getting which one? This 100% scholarship, all of you. 45 minutes time is there, and 20 minutes duration you're having. So don't miss this opportunity, everyone. Now coming to this, you can fulfill your GATE and ESE dream by adapting this no cost EMI option. If you are unable to pay this entire fee at a time, you can just go with this no cost EMI option of you, right? Now don't miss this. Now coming to this, right, this is a classroom batch on May 19th. One more offline batch with fluid mechanics by JS Gill sir will be starting at our offline center, Delhi. Right, you can just scan this QR code to follow my profile, join our Telegram channel, scan this QR code to get all my classes replace, all of you, right? So these are all the subjects I'll be taking in Unacademy Plus platform. And now coming to this mathematical reasoning we are discussing, right? So which class we are discussing? It almost 20 questions on this mathematical reasoning we have completed now, everyone. Almost 20 questions we have completed. Right now we'll be doing 5 more questions today, and with that then mathematical reasoning gets over, right? Now coming to this lecture number 23, GATE PYQs of all branches, general aptitude reasoning, mathematical reasoning part 5, right? You can say it's a miscellaneous reasoning, right? 15th way. So now coming to this, right, we are just solving it. So shall I start the poll of you? Yes, I'll be starting the poll. Try to solve this, all of you. Try to write your answer, everyone. Yeah, good evening, Raulika. solve this. One minute 20 seconds time is there. Forty-five seconds more time. Right, so the time gets over. Right, so shall we solve this, everyone? Right, we'll try to solve it, right, all of you. So what is that done here is consider two rectangular sheets, right? What are the two rectangular sheets, right? Sheet M and this is sheet N of dimensions 6 centimeters by this 4 centimeter each, right? Each is having which one? This 6 centimeters by this 4 centimeters. You can say, right? What is the dimension they are having? You can say 6 centimeters by this 4 centimeter, right? If you just observe, what is that you are having? That is your sheet M, you can say. And next one is your sheet N, you can say, right? Originally how much dimensions? 6 centimeters by this 4 centimeters. So you are having na, so 6 centimeters by this 4 centimeter means, right, what is it? You can say 6 is the larger dimension and 4 is the smaller dimension, you can say, right? If you just consider, this is your 6 centimeters, right? This is your 4 centimeters, right? So here for this N also, if you just observe now, right, what is that you are having? This is your 4 centimeter and this is your 6 centimeter, right? According to the given data, this is the one you are having. Folding operation 1, right? So operation 1 means the sheet folded into half by joining the sharp edges of this current shape, right? So by joining the sharp edges of this current shape, right? Short edges means 4 na, this 4 will get joined, right? Whenever this 4 will get joined, right, it will become half in this direction, isn't it? It will become half in this direction, or not, all of you? Yes, right. Now this will become bigger, right? So what it will become, right? This is your now it will become this 3 centimeters, right? Now it will become this 4 centimeters. This will become 3, right? And after that, what happens? Folding operation 2 is what? The sheet is folded into half by joining the longer edges of this current shape, right? You are joining by which one? Longer edges of this current shape, right? Whenever you are joining this longer edges of this current shape, right, what it will become? You can say, if you just observe, so this is 6 centimeters you are having, and this is your 4 centimeters will become this 2 centimeters now. Yes, that is what, right? Folding operation 1 is carried out on sheet M 3 times, right? Folding operation 2 is carried out on the sheet N 3 times, right? The ratio of this perimeters of this final folded shapes of the sheet N to the folded shape of this sheet M is, right? So how many times it is carried out? 3 times on this M and N, right? So which one we are folding? If you just observe it, this is shorter just together na. So here 3 and 3 should come together, right? Here whenever that 3 and 3 comes together, right, what it will happen? So this is the first time you are doing this operation na? First time you are doing this operation, and when you are doing it for the second time, right, what will happen? You can say it will become like this, or not everyone, right? It will become like this, right? What will happen, you can say this is your 3, and what it will become, right? This will become this 2, right? So here second time when you are doing this operation, right, what will happen? This is the first time we are doing this operation. A longer faces together means, right, what will happen here? It will be like this. Now longer faces connected together means that 6 and 6 will be connected together. Na? So this is your 6 and this is your 1. It will become, right? So now when you are doing it for this third time, what happens? So shorter faces together. This 2 and 2 together means, right, what it will happen here? What it will happen here, if you just observe, right, this is your 2 and this is your 1.5, this is your 2 and this is your 1.5, right? And if you are doing the same operation for this here, so what it will become, right? This is the third time, right, when you are doing it now. So that 1 will become which one? This is a 0.5 here now. So that is your 6 only, and this is your 0.5, right? Now you are asked to identify this ratio of these perimeters, right? What is that ratio? You can say, if you just observe, perimeter of this n divided by this perimeter of this m. N to m is asked in the question. Na? N is nothing but your which one? This is 2 times this is 6 plus this 0.5 divided by what? 2 times this what? 2 plus this 1.5, right? So what it comes to be, this 2 get cancelled, 6.5 by this 3.5, right? What is it, you can say? That is your 13 by 7, right? What is the answer? 13 by 7 will be the answer, right? Which option is correct, right? Option A will be the correct answer, na? Yes, that option A will be the correct answer. You can say it like that, isn't it? So shall I move to the next question? This is GATE 2021 question out of you. Shall I move to the next question? 22nd question out of you. Just to solve this question of you. 22nd question. Second question. Try to answer this question of you. Everyone try to answer. One and a half minute timer is there. Forty-five seconds more time, all of you. Right, the last 5 seconds. Right. 6 students P, Q, R, S, T and U, with what conditions? You can say with the distinct, right? With the distinct heights, compare their heights and make the following observations, right? Observation 1, S is taller than R, right? What is it? S is taller than R, you can say. that S height is S is taller than R na, S is taller than R, right? This you can write it here. Observation 2, right? What is it you can say? Q is shortest of all, right? What is it you can say? Q is shortest of all means, right? What is it you can say? Q is the shortest of all. U is taller than only one student, right? U is taller than only one student means, right? What is it you can say? If you just observe, this U will be higher, U will be taller than which one? This Q na, because Q is the shortest one and U is taller than only one student, right? So yes or right, P is missing, Q is covered, R is there, yes. T is missing, P and T are missing or not? Yes. Observation 4, T is taller than S but not the tallest, right? T is taller than S, but not the tallest, right? Taller than S but not the tallest means what? Taller than S but not the tallest, right? T is greater than S, S is greater than R, and but not the tallest, right? Means beyond this T somebody will be there, na P will be there, you can say, right, like that. So R is taller than U and U is taller than this Q, right? This is the order you can identify. Now tell me, the number of students that are taller than R is the same as the number of students is shorter than. Number of students taller than R is what? Number of students taller than R is which one? 1, 2, 3 na? 3. So what is it? 3. Number of students is shorter than S will be equal to which one? 3 na? So now 1, 2, 3, right? So yes na. So which one will be the correct answer? Right? That option C will be the correct answer or not? Yes, that option C will be the correct answer. It comes to be all of you, right? Like that. Is it clear? So shall we move to the next one, all of you? Yes, we'll try to move on to the next one, everyone. If you just observe. Clear, everyone? This 22nd question, all of you, right? This is 23rd question. Try to solve this, all of you. 50 seconds more time. 25 seconds more time. Right, the time gets over. Here if you just observe, so what is it you're having? That is your plus inside the circle divided by dot inside the circle equal to 2, right? So that is your plus inside the circle divided by this dot inside the circle is equal to 2. And what is it you are having? You can say that is your plus inside the circle divided by this plus inside the circle divided by this triangle, right? Divided by this triangle equals to which one? This 3 you can say. Yes, now right, now coming to this, right, what else you can write? Dot inside the dot inside, right, dot inside the circle plus this triangle is equal to which one? This is 3, sorry, it is equal to 5. Yes, now this one is equal to 5, right? And what else is there? You can say, if you just observe that delta into triangle, delta into that circle inside the cross is equal to which? Delta into that circle inside the cross is equal to how much? You can say, what is the delta into the circle inside the cross equal to cross inside the circle equal to 10. Okay, that is what you are. And now what is it you are asked to identify? That is your cross inside this circle minus this plus inside this circle, right? Cross inside the circle minus this plus inside the circle whole square will be equal to how much, right? That is what you are asked to identify, right? So here what is the first one, right? Dot inside the circle plus this delta is na, dot inside the circle plus delta is 5. Next, what is it you are having? Delta into cross inside the circle is equal to which? Cross inside the circle is equal to that 10, you can say. This one is what? Plus inside this. Okay, that is what you are having. Yes, now this is what you are having. Now how can you get the answer from here, everyone? If you just observe it, how can you get the answer from here? How can you get the answer from here, everyone? If you just observe it, whenever you are just doing it reverse one, right? This is equation number 1, this is equation number 2, right? This is equation number 3, this is equation number 4, right? So whenever you are just making it, right, what you can make it, everyone, right? What you can make it, everyone, all of you, if you just observe. It's going out. One sec, I'll write here itself, right? Plus inside the circle divided by this dot inside the circle is equal to 2. And whenever you are having this, right, that is your plus inside the circle divided by this delta will be equal to 3, right? This is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Okay, so what is it you can make it, right? Equation number 1 divided by this equation number 2, right? What is it you can say? Equation number 1 by 2 means this by this, right? What is it you are getting? This plus plus cancels and this delta will come to the numerator now. That is your delta divided by this dot inside the circle is equal to, right? That is your 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 it comes to, right? This is your third equation, right? And what is that another equation you are having? If you just observe, so what is it you can say? This is your that is your dot inside the circle plus this delta is equal to 5. This is equation number 4, right? So whenever you are just solving that 3 and 4, right, what is it you can get it? 3 and 4 when you solve it now. So that is what is it you can get it? That delta will be equal to 2 you will be getting, and that dot inside the circle is equal to that 3 you will be getting, you can say, right? Once you are getting this, right, what is it you can say, everyone? That is your plus inside this circle is equal to which one? This 2 into that 3 equal to 6. And what is it you can say? That is your plus inside the circle, how much you are getting? Yeah, plus inside the circle you are getting it as 6, you can say, right? Plus inside the circle you are getting it as 6, right? And cross inside the circle, what is it? Cross inside the circle you can get here, everyone. That cross inside the circle you can get from here, right? What is it you can get it? 10 divided by this 2, that is your 5 na? That is your cross inside the circle is equal to the 5, you can get it, right? So then this option is what? Cross inside the circle is your 5 minus plus inside the circle is which one? This is 6, right? 5 minus 6 whole square is equal to that 1, you can say. So option B will be the correct answer or not? Yes, option B will be the correct answer, you can say. Is it clear, everyone? Just go for this last but one question, all of you. Solve this, everyone. Yeah, Deepak, good evening. Twenty-fourth D. Deepak said D. Any other answer by others? All of you? I'll try to write it here only because if I am going to the next page now, write it may not be giving properly. Forty seconds more time, all of you. 10 seconds more time. So here what is it you can write? This delta symbol means, right, what is the meaning of this delta symbol? Plus symbol, na? Yes or no? So you can write it as which one? This plus 2. So this plus inside the circle, right, what you can replace? That is minus, right? Minus 3. That is delta is nothing but your plus only. Yes, na? Brackets, one more bracket, right? 4. That is into inside the circle means divided by, na? Divided by this 2, right? 4 divided by this 2, right? Sorry, again, right, what is it you can say? That is your inverse delta means into, na? That is into, what is it you can say? 4. It's not. So what is that value it comes to be, everyone? So what is it value comes to be? Plus 2 minus 3. So plus, what is it you can say? 4 divided by this 2 is what? 2. 2 into 4, na? So what is it you can say? Minus 1 plus 8, right? Minus 1 plus 8 is nothing but your 7, na? Yes, that is 7. Option D will be the correct answer, right? Like that. Is that clear, everyone? So I'll move on to the next question. Last question from this, everyone. Try to answer this properly. This is the last question for today. 25th question at GATE 2022 question. Try to answer this, everyone. This is the last question, everyone, for today. One and a half minute time is there. 30 seconds more time, everyone. Right. So by default, directly you can select the answer as which one, this Dina, because the question itself is giving the answer, right? In a recently conducted national exam entrance test, the boys constituted 60%, 65% of this. Okay, let it be. We'll check it, right? 65% of those who appeared for the test. So boys are which one? Let be total appeared for test be how much? Let x equal to total appeared for test, right? Let x will be which one? This is total appeared for test. X will be your total appeared for test, right? So now among them, right, what is the boys appeared will be which one? This 65% na. So that is your 0.65 times this x, right? So girls appeared will be how much? You can say that girls appeared will be remaining 35% na, 0.35 x, you can say, right? This is the number of girls appeared, right? So now tell me, right, let y be which one, right? Y will be the total number of girls total qualified na, yes or no? Total qualified or not? Yes, total qualified, you can say. And what is it? You can say that boys qualified, right? How, what is it? You can say here girls constituted the remaining and they accounted for this 60% of this qualified candidate, right? So 60% of this were, right? How many girls are qualified? You can say 60% of the, so girls will be accounted for this 60% of this qualified students now, and the remaining 40% only not qualified or not, 40% only boys qualified, right? So YB total qualified, right? Girls qualified will be equal to which one? It is given in the question na? Girls qualified will be what? The question itself is giving the answer na? Girls qualified will be 0.6 times this Y. And what is that? Boys qualified remaining only now 40%, right? 0.4 times this Y, right? Obviously, what is it? You can say equal number of boys and girls are qualified, right? So no, both are not same. Equal number of boys and girls appeared, right? Appear also not same, you can say, right? The number of boys who appeared for the test is lesser than the number of girls who appeared. Boys appeared for the test is how much, you can say? The number of boys who appeared for the test is less. Appeared for the test, boys are higher, girls are lesser. And who is, you can say, boys appeared, right? Boys appeared will be greater than which one? These girls appeared. Okay. So from this second one, what is it you can say? From this, what is it you can write? That boys qualified, right? Boys qualified will be what? That boys qualified will be lesser than this girls qualified, na? Boys qualified will be lesser than this girls qualified, or not, all of you? Yes, absolutely like this, right? So which one is the correct answer? Right? That option D will be the correct answer, na? In the question itself, it is given the girls are constituting which one? This is 60% of this qualified quantity, right? So 60% of this qualified quantity candidates are girls, means, right, more are there girls only, no? Yes, absolutely, yes, no? So now we will be having which one? This next class on when, you can say, when we will be having that next class, you can say. So next class on this Wednesday, right? Yes, now everyone. So next class on which one? This Wednesday you will be having, if you just observe, right? Today is Monday na. So next class on this Wednesday, and what is that we will be discussing, right? Wednesday and this Friday we will be discussing which one? This is spatial aptitude. Okay. So just in 2 classes we are going to complete all the spatial aptitude questions, you can say, everyone. Yes, na? So we'll try to complete this spatial aptitude questions on 2 classes, right? Wednesday and this Friday together, right? Anyone having any doubt in our discussions till now, all of you? Anyone having any doubt in our discussions till now? If no doubts, I'll close the session, right? Shall I close? Yes, I'll be closing.